Alright, today on William's Adventures, I'm going to show you about what I've been working on with my Mandalorian helmet and the process I've gotten so far and my current ideas. Alright, well, I bought some more Bondo, and what I'm currently doing is as you can see here, I took the visor off. And what I'm going to do is I took and blue taped it, and I'm going to reinstall it in here and then fill the edge with Bondo. And this way it has a nice solid edge on it rather than what it currently has. So let me take and get the visor installed and I'll show you what it looks like at that moment. Well, I got the visor reinstalled. Now, because what I'm talking about is if you can see like in here, there's like a gap that I want to take and fill with Bondo. And here along the eye right here, just all the way around. So that's my general what I'm doing. Here's a great example. You can see that space in there. I want to kind of fill that. And yeah, like you can see this. I wanted this flat in here. Alright. So, was able to take and actually get the Bondo in there nicely. I even got it on the, as you can see, the teardrop here. I didn't put it in this section way in the back because you're not going to be able to see in there. But I even got it up on the top there, so it should be nice and smooth when I put it on. And look pretty cool. Because now all I have to do is go in and sand that. While I also had it, I also put it on the seam of my backpack to take and fill that in all the way around. And that patch job I did there. And to also cover up the Kirby words or letters. Well, name. So that's what I've been doing. I also did some minor work with the rifle and the pistol, which are sitting over here. Just a little bit of touch-up stuff, basically filling in some seams. But that's currently what I got going on. Got this all drying up. I also got the vibro knife, filling in some of the details here so I can then go ahead and start sanding it and get that all smoothed out. So I've been busy bondoing. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new.